What's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
So today we're gonna do an unboxing. I did decide to go ahead and go for these. Bam! This is a women's size. I know I said I was gonna wait to get these from the retail, but I decided to go ahead and pull the trigger because my style was still going for a little bit above retail. You can see by the box, this is a women's exclusive only. If you've been following our channel, you should already know what these shoes are. Let's go ahead and check out these bad boys together. This is a women's 11 and a half. It equals to my size 10 in men's. Bam. The Jordan 3 Off Noir. The first time I'm seeing these in hand. So if you don't know, I just picked up the Reimagine 3 earlier this year when I took that L on the J Balvin. This is a nice clean shoe in my opinion. Looking at more in hand. Does have some nice suede on it. The suede is very soft, in my opinion. It's a very nice shoe, especially for the winter. Very nice touch with this shoe. It does come with that OG hang tag, which we haven't seen in a while. And you see, it does come with some extra laces on the other pair of shoes. I can't really tell if this is a cream pair or a white pair, but I'm assuming it's a cream because we do have that aged out midsole. So let's go ahead and dive into the shoe. So starting from the top, we do have that innerline sock liner in black. It does feature that black embroidered on the tongue. At the top of the collar does have that black leather. Moving down to the majority of the shoe is that black suede. This is a very, like I said, nice clean suede. And as you can see, it does have that booty backstroke right there. It was supposed to be premium quality suede, but I'm not no suede expert, so let me know in the comments, sneakerheads. So around the toe, it does have this material right here. It comes all the way around. Again, it was like the same type of suede as the toe box to me. And then finish it off with that beautiful gray cement elephant print that we love on the eye stage right here. This is a sail colorway. Very nice touch in my humble opinion. It does bring back the sail on the midsole. Now I think with these laces right here, it'll make the shoe pop. Moving on to the outsole. You do have your standard regular Jordan outsole for the Jordan 3s. Those feature that predominantly gray, black. Again, this is a pale vanilla right here, or sail, and that Jordan logo in black. Moving around to the back, does feature that blacked out Jordan. I kind of wish that they would have had that sail, like the sail we saw on the crafts. But hey, I'm not mad at these. The regular Jordan Air on the back. Again, this is not an OG colorway, hence it doesn't have the Nike branding on it. Moving around to the other side of the shoe. Again, it has that sail midsole right here coming back with that black going all around the back. It's a very clean shoe in my opinion. So I think this will be a great shoe to rock for the wintertime. And definitely if you don't have these Jordan 3 black cement, this is a very clean shoe. And this shoe is not going for over retail. I think most of the pairs are actually going under retail value right now. So if you want these sneakerheads, go and scoop these up while they low and go and put them on feet and rock them. As for me, I'm rocking these. Let me know in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? Again, this pair did remind me of the Jordan 3 black gold, because it does feature that same back tab that's blacked out. It does feature that same elephant print. One of the biggest difference is instead of all this black right here at the top, this is all gold, and this is all gold right here. So again, those shoes are also sitting. So I can see someone being able to do a custom to make either one of those shoes into the black cement if you're trying to go for a more OG look. But as for me, I like this pair. Like if I was designing this shoe, the only thing that I probably would have did that I would like to saw on this shoe, I would like to have a red Jumpman, or either that or sail Jumpman just to make it pop. And then on the back, again, I would like to have that sail Jumpman on the back. I do like the contrast. I know some people do like the blacked out look, but again, like I said, I'm not a Big fan of all black shoes, so this is right up my alley because it's a black shoe, but it does have a little bit of color in it to give this shoe a pop. Again, let me know in the comments, sneakerheads, what your thoughts. What are you thinking about these? Are you rocking these or dropping these?
Hey, this sneakerhead bro is rocking those, right? Hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.
peace.